Welcome back, friends. What if I was to tell you that the logo that you just saw in the intro video was designed with the help of artificial intelligence?
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
Yes, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence, which is known as generative AI. In today's video, we will be covering how AI innovation is happening in today's world, what are the various use cases that you should know to benefit from generative AI, and what are the different concerns that you must keep in mind when it comes to using generative AI. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So what exactly is generative AI? Generative AI is a cutting-edge technological advancement that makes use of machine learning and artificial intelligence so that it can provide you with original content or media such as text, audio, video, animation, etc. Speaking of AI innovation, ChatGPT, that is gaining a lot of popularity these days, is capable of writing computer codes. It can write blogs as well as generate marketing text and perform many such operations. DALL-E and Microsoft Bing Create, on the other hand, are softwares that are capable of generating image from text that they take as input from the users. Such softwares are showing the various advancements that are happening through the innovation of artificial intelligence. Let us now explore the different use cases that are possible when it comes to generative AI. Keep in mind that this list is of varied elements, but it is not exhaustive. So these examples are limited, and there are more such possible examples that can come into the picture. First, agencies can make use of generative AI to generate personalized social media posts, blogs, articles, even messages that are used for marketing, and videos using generative AI services such as ChatGPT. Softwares like Bing Image Create and DALL-E are used by many startups to create their branding or their logo by giving text as input to these generative AI services. Let us now see an example on how you can use Microsoft Bing Image Create to generate an image from text. All you need to do is open a browser and type in the words Bing Image Creator and hit enter. Once you do so, click on the first link that is visible to you. Now, you will be greeted with the UI of Bing Image Create, where you can see several images that are generated by different users using just text as input. To create your image, all you need to do is get started. To do so, type in a text input, such as something like a floating astronaut, and let AI do its work. You'll see image generated by AI based on the text input. You can modify the text to something like a astronaut on a skateboard, or something like an astronaut on a unicorn, or even a banana, and see the creativity of AI. You can change the art form to something that you wish to see and see how images are generated by AI. These are several examples of images that show the power of this tool. GitHub, Copilot 6, and ChatGPT are examples of softwares which are capable of generating code and helping developers increase their productivity. This is capable of generating code snippets, functions, or even fully functional programming modules which can be used by developers for their usage. If you think of it this way, generative AI can also be used for data augmentation, that is, generating newer set of data or training data so that AI models can be trained on a newer data set for better accuracy. Generative AI is capable of going through several research papers and generating a short and crisp summary of the text. This can save a lot of human effort and hours that are put into carrying out research. Generative AI can help in creating and simulating complex engineering architectures and designs, such as floor plans, or iterating through the various architecture by making use of something as simple as a text. It can help medical professionals with health diagnosis. That is, it can generate potential or alternative remedies for patients based on their medical history or the symptoms that they have. For example, DeepMind's AlphaFold is capable of predicting the shape of protein. We have understood the various use cases that are possible with the help of generative AI. But then let's now also touch upon the various concerns that we must keep in mind when it comes to usage of such services. Generative AI can create harm and impact society through misuse by perpetuating biases, exclusion, and discrimination. One such example would be in previous days, if you would have Googled the term CEO, then you would have got images of white people, which is a discrimination. And now many software updates have been made to ensure such discrimination is not made through AI. Generative AI can be used for malicious purposes such as creating deepfakes, spreading disinformation, and propaganda. Nefarious actors may make use of AI generated media to misguide people and influence public opinion. It may also produce low quality and less accurate information, especially when it comes to fields like complex engineering and health diagnosis. Therefore, we must develop adequate policy, regulation, awareness, and education guardrail in order to make sure that generative AI is developed and used ethically as well as responsibly. Thank you very much. If you like the video you just saw, please consider hitting the like button and letting us know. Also, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Stay awesome and see you next time.